Hi guys, Shivram here again. I absolutely loved it on the day one of the Bootcamp 2.0, and I'm sure you also loved it. So guys, if you loved it, why don't you share it with your network so that they can also attend and they can also join the bootcamp and learn and make use of this knowledge, make use of this tips and tricks, and also make their business better. And in fact, because you are sharing, we are offering you this. There is a contest basically, and if you go to bootcamp.profitfunneluniversity.com, which you have already signed, you will see this option of sharing stuff. You can actually share it on Facebook. You can actually reshare on Facebook if you want, if you have already done also, no problem. You can share it with your network, and what happens is you actually collect points, so it will show your rank. So 16 people, so 1, 5 and 10, 16 people will get coupon codes for my next training starting in January 9th, basically 2022. So rank 1 holder will get a workshop worth 24,000 and also a membership worth 14,400 for 1 year. So rank 2 to 6 will get 75 discount, that is close to 18,000 discount, and 6 months of membership worth 7,200 free. Rank 7 to 16 will get 50% discount, that is close to 12,000 discount, and 3 months of membership worth 3,600. Now guys, why we are doing this? Because we need to reach out to more people as a business, right? So, and all you do need to do is share this page, do some action, subscribe to our channel, watch a video on YouTube, share it on the Messenger, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, and earn points. Once you earn points, you actually rank higher in this leaderboard. And 16 people, it's not just 1, 2, 3, or 5 people. So 16 people can actually win. And the whole idea is sharing so that many people can join. We can build a better community. They attend the boot camp, they come to the Facebook group, and they learn things. Basically, this boot camp is going better and better. If you can ask the boot camp 1 participants, boot camp 2 is already better. So yeah, the whole idea is to share. So you can either copy this link and share wherever you want to, or you can just click on this quick buttons and you can share. So take this opportunity and earn points. So look at this. So you need to have minimum 2 points to be eligible to earn, take part in this thing. So share, probably if you share and 10 people register, your job is done. 10, 20 people register. So do not hesitate, do not stop, and do share to make this community, make this purpose bigger. There is no selling involved. This is not an affiliate link. So share for the whole idea of sharing knowledge, giving them a platform where they can learn. And what you get is, if they learn from through your referral, they will say thank you to you, and you will have a better relationship with them, maybe. Yeah. So look, think about it, share it and earn points, and you'll have an opportunity to take part in my next workshop that is coming in January at either free or a heavily discounted thing. So we did a Black Friday last month, and I think many people took advantage of that. Now there is no Black Friday, but only through this concept, this contest, actually you can win. So I wish you luck. I want you to win. Come to the next workshop on January and start your new year with a bang, basically full funnel new year. Yeah. Bye.